Alright, hey guys. Um, Back for another video. This time, um, this time we're doing Little Debbie's. Your problems. Anyway, um, Little Debbie snacks. For this one, I had to do the top five again because Little Debbie's are a lot. So, um, I don't got much to say other than thank you to everyone so far for watching everything. Um, I think we'll just go ahead and get started. So, our first one's gonna be honey buns. Honey buns, honey buns. Um, let's see. I'm not gonna read the calories this time because I was requested not to. So, I am gonna look at the ingredients. That's that's a lot. That's a lot. We're just gonna go ahead and start it. Just glad I go ahead and start it because this would have taken a while. Alright, got it. Um, alright. I guess I'm glad that I started with this one because most of the ones that I chose, um, yeah, I'm the one who chose all these because I just picked the most common ones to pick. Honey buns was one. Honey buns was one of them. A lot of y'all wanted that, so um, yeah. Here's the honey bun. Uh, I've had this a couple of times. It's pretty good. I've actually had every one of these that I picked. That's why I picked them because I feel like these are the most common Little Debbie's that anyone would buy. And this is one of them, so yeah, that's good. I don't have much to say about this one other than I could eat the whole thing if I wanted to. That's why I picked most of these. Um, just so it's a little fair, because the last two videos, um, I only I made it as fair as possible, and it didn't seem fair, but um, I'm only just starting my channel, so bear with me. I'm still new to everything. Uh, but I'm just doing the best I can. That's my full honesty. Alright. It's the only one I've ranked so far, so. Honey buns, so far are in first place. Honey buns. Alright, let's see what's going to be the next one. Oatmeal cream pie. Oatmeal cream pies. This one I've had. Um, this one I found out I loved in church. Uh, one of the Sunday school teachers I went into, they had one of these, and I started liking them. Um, so oatmeal cream pies, and while I'm doing this, I want to tell everybody that I know I've probably been doing a lot of these type of videos and understanding that you like them, but in my channel, I want to do not just this. Like, I'm fine with doing ranking videos, but um, when I started my channel, I did all those animations, AI, obviously, because I can't make animations. So, but if you guys want to see something else other than me ranking food or like an animation, if you want to see something else, I'm willing to try something. I'm willing to try anything. Um, uh, I mean, this is what I'm doing now, but if you guys want me to do something else, um, yeah, I'm willing to try. But for now, and all you guys have to do is comment, because I'm not getting a lot of comments. That's the one thing really, that I'm really wanting. I don't mind subscribers, I don't mind the likes, I don't mind the views. Um, I just want to hear y'all's opinions. Like, what type of videos do y'all want to see in my channel? And I can try to make them. I'm just telling you. Um, oatmeal cream pies. Mm-hmm. Hmm. All right, pondering a bit. Mm. I think. That's a tough one. They're very close. Um, Considering one is just a glazed donut full of honey, and the other one's um, oatmeal. If I had to choose from the two which one I would taste more, probably oatmeal cream pie. Um, so oatmeal cream pie, Steals first. Honey buns in second so far. Um, all right, let's see what else. Star Crunch. Um, Cookies with caramel and crisp rice. So, fun fact about me, this is the only thing caramel that I enjoy, if not eat at all. I'm not a big caramel fan, but um, I will be willing to try caramel for the sakes of my channel. Opening this thing up. Yeah, this is the only thing caramel that I've probably had and enjoyed. Um, Caramel's not my thing, but it's willing to try that for the future videos. I do plan to do candy bars next time. So that's um candy bars will be an option future video. A lot of ranking videos I plan to do. Um alright. Yeah, and this is just one of them. One of the many that I try. And I actually like it. But will it be one of the two that I enjoy? Maybe. Okay. I actually enjoyed that a lot, a lot more than the other two. Mm. Yeah. In case you don't know, um, I'm running out of material for videos. I'm still new, like I said. So I'm just doing the best I can. Alright, right now, Star Crunch is first place. Right now, oatmeal cream pie is in second, and honey buns are taken third. Alright. The fourth out of the fifth. Bag nearly filled. We had to take them both out. Alright. I guess we'll start with Cosmic Brownies. Um, this one was. This one had a lot of requests. Um, I guess y'all love the brownies. Um, let's see. Whatever. Hmm, interesting. I was looking at the calories. I probably shouldn't have done that, but whatever. Right. Oh, I almost said almond cream pie. Cosmic brownies. Um, one thing unique about the two. One thing unique about this one is that it's two. There's two of them. So that's fun. Also, the box does not want to stay up. So we're just gonna have that laying down. So it's not wanting to do. And most of the boxes standing up like towers and stuff. Um, which I probably really shouldn't have. Um, it's not. It don't matter. Alright. I'll pick brownie. the Cosmic Brownie right here. This might be a winner. Um, for everyone to vote for this one, I guess I can see it being a winner. But we'll see. Chewy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah, that was very chewy. I think my mouth is saying that this should um let's see. All right. I'll be eating all the samples that I had after the video, but let's see. I think Cosmic Brownies um might have taken the win. It was chewy, and I like brownies. If I liked any dessert, it'd be brownies. Brownies. I'm just gonna rank. Alright. Moving these things. I'm just gonna adjust that. Alright. Cosmic Brownies has first place. And now for the last one. And this may not steal first. I think Cosmic Brownies have made the win right now. But we'll we'll see what Nutty Buddies ranked. Nutty Buddies is a common one in my household. Mainly my dad, but honestly, I like them as a common item for snacks. But out of everything here, I just realized I've went in order. uh, that order sequence, but who cares? I'm just I'm just ranking them randomly. That's what I did. I am currently having a video request from my subscribers. Um, that will take a little longer. Um, yeah, it'll take progress. It'll take some time to make this upcoming video. It'll be really long. Might take days, but it'll probably be worth it. As long as my memory's good and as long as my mouth can remember, um, it should all be fine. Alright. Nutty Buddy or Nutty Bar. So, here we go. Okay. I think I've learned something about Little Debbie's. Because I think this was a bad idea. Okay. I think one thing I've learned from Little Debbie's is that no matter which one you have, there are no favorites. They are all pretty good in their own ways. Um, the main thing is that they're all sweet. They all have the sugar. They all have their unique ways of being very sweet with just too much. Um, it is impossible to rank them all because each one you each one you taste, um, it only gets better. I did not think this through about Old Debbie's. Um, might have been my fault for choosing them myself. Um, but I don't regret that. So, um, let's see. So, Nutty Buddies. Alright. I think I need to do this in a different way. Because I could not find favorites. Um, I need to taste all of them second. Starting with the honey bun again. Alright. And then oatmeal cream pie. Okay. After tasting that, um, and it could really just be the order of how you do it. Mainly because I started with the honey bun and did the oatmeal cream pie. Somehow I thought I liked it better. That's just because each one has um, their own level of sweetness. But after having the honey bun and after having oatmeal cream pie right after, I think the honey bun was better. Was better. Star Crunch. Mm, I think Star Crunch is probably gonna go. Um, after having the Star Crunch like that, I think the honey bun was better, but Star Crunch was better than the oatmeal. Cosmic Brownie. It stood out, so that stays. That stays in first. And the Nutty Buddy. Hmm. That's tough. I can't make it a top, obviously. But the Cosmic Brownie and the Nutty Buddy are very close. I think I'm gonna go based off what everyone said that I talked to was the best. So, I think the winner of the Little Debbie's snacks is Cosmic Brownies. Cosmic Brownies. That thing is good. Cosmic Brownies was very chewy. It's got the little things on it, and it's brownies. A common dessert, treat, whatever you want to call it. Natty Buddies was close, but it's a very common, basic, simple snack, which is good. Honey Buns pretty much just tasted like donuts, but a lot more stuff on it. Star Crunch, great. Oatmeal cream pies, it was okay. Um, yeah, I definitely learned a lot here. I learned that no matter what snack from Little Debbie's you get, they will all be good. It'll all taste great. Um, um, yeah, this was fun. This was interesting. I loved it. Um, so, like I said during the video, if you have any requests, any video requests, I've had one just recently that I'm going to be working on. Um, if you have any requests, any video requests, it don't have to be about food. It could be another AI animation if you want. It could just be a made up video. Whatever you guys want. I'll try to, I could try to make it. Um, I do plan on making challenges in the future. Maybe not this year, but um, maybe if I can reach 50 subscribers, um, I can try to make a challenge video. It's putting a lot of pressure on me, but this is what I want to do. This is what I feel like that I want to do. Alright, anyways, I think I'm gonna wrap up. So, remember, if you have any requests, comment down below what you want me to do. And if you like my stuff and you haven't subscribed already, feel free to subscribe. Um, thank you for watching, and love you all.